આજે ડોક્ટર કિરણ પટેલ હેપી ચાઇલ્ડ ઇન્ટરનેશનલ સ્કૂલમાં સ્ટુડન્ટ કાઉન્સિલ ઇલેક્શનની રચના કરવામાં આવી હતી, જેમાં 6 થી 10ના વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ મોનિટર માટે પોતાની ઉમેદવારી નોંધાવી હતી. ધોરણ 10ના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ અને વિદ્યાર્થિનીઓએ GS અને LR માટે પોતાની ઉમેદવારી નોંધાવી હતી. આ સ્ટુડન્ટ કાઉન્સિલ ઇલેક્શનમાં બાળકોએ ઉત્સાહભેર ભાગ લીધો.
Good morning, my name is Janice from Standard 9th. Today I am not standing here to discuss about what but for your trust. If I will make the class monitor of Standard 9, I will do my duty very well. If I will make sure that everyone stay disciplined in the class and friendly, I will hear there is a peace in the class. Thank you.
Hello, my name is I am standing today to the classroom there. A great mind is not was a great mind is a help, but I want to make my classroom peaceful and organize a place for everyone. If you elect me, I promise to do to the person and God share the day. I will not use this power. I will ensure my classroom respect and discipline the classroom in this school. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Patel Shwetal from Happy Child International School, principal of Dr. Kiran Patel's Happy Child International School. First of all, I would like to give a brief introduction about my school. Our school established on 2014. Today we have classes from KG section to standard 10. Almost we having 430 students in all over our school. Our school past 3 years result is 100% for SSC board. In school, we fortnightly organize different kinds of activities. In our school, we provide a nutritious breakfast to the students. Today, we organized a student council election. The main purpose of this election is that students can understand the value of the election and vote. They can morally develop the class. And they, in the future, they can understand about the value of democracy. So, let's begin to our student council elections. Thanks.
સમાચાર અને જાહેરાત માટે સંપર્ક કરો પ્રકાશ સોની 94 294 35 034, અલ્પેશ બારોટ 93 774 26 544. વિસનગર કે ન્યૂઝ.